Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video I will talk about the conversion of black and white photo into a color photo. In other words, we will learn how to edit photos using Inkscape. So let's begin. Here I have a black and white photo which I have imported into Inkscape, and I want to make a duplicate by pressing Ctrl T so that I could set this side by side. Now I want to convert this black and white photo into a color one. That I can do by coming to Filters tab, clicking on it, then comes to Colors tab. There are a lot of options available playing with a photo, but I would first go to Simple Blend in order to blend the picture into a single one. I first need to click this Live Preview button so that I can see the changes that I am bringing into the photo. You see it has already been converted into a color version, but I want to reduce this shade a little lesser like this. Yeah, I think this is good so far. Now let me apply this and close this window. I come again to Filters and then to Colors, and then I go to Tritone option. With the help of Tritone, I can further, I have two options over here, one option, the other colors. I can a little bit change the colors, but that is not so obvious. Yeah, again I have to check this Live Preview and then I come over here, and from here I can change the glow, local glow, and all. Yes, you see, playing with this change the glow of the picture, so you can give a glow of your own choice. I can take this over here. This is a little too bright, so and I can take this a little more lesser. I think that's sufficient. Yeah, I press this on 1 and this one on 5. If I reduce this a little bit to 4, that would give a nicer view of the picture. Keep in mind, there are a lot of options available at this tab, the Type tab. I can change this to phosphorus color, so that would reduce the color like this. Then this one, color night, it changes the color to another background, and then this one would change back it to the black and white, so I keep this an enhanced hue. Yeah, similarly I can change some option from here. I can get to lighten. Yeah, that's there is a little change of the glow on the face of the picture, and if I put this on the screen, there is again a little change, and if I put this on darken, it darken the picture. So you can pick any one of these options. Nevertheless, you can convert a black and white picture into a colored one using Inkscape. If you haven't subscribed to Safi Mixed, kindly support the channel through your valued subscription. Thanks for watching.